Hi everyone, today I am going to share with you some tips and tricks on how to use Google searching for images. There are a lot of really cool built-in things that will help you narrow down images that you're searching for and make it easier for you to find them. There are several ways to get to Google Images. If you are on the main screen of Google here, one thing you can do is if you're logged into your Google account, you'll see up here it'll say Gmail and then Images. You could just click Images from here and you'll see that the main part of the screen has been changed where it says Images. The other thing that you could do is you could even go up here and type in Google Images and it will also take you to the same screen. So if you go here in the Images Google, and it takes you back to the same screen. So searching with Google Images is a little bit different than just Google searching, because with the Google searching you get every type of result. With Google Images you get just picture results. So you can see here it's changed and it says Images here. So I'm going to just choose a very general search just to give you some examples. So if I were to type in dogs, okay, so you see it comes up, it's such a broad, wide search, all different kind of dogs. But a nice thing about Google is it will break down some things across the top thinking, okay, is this something that you're looking for? Are you looking for puppies, a certain breed? It gives that across the top, different types. And so you could narrow it down this way a little bit more as far as the things that you're looking for. You could type it in here if you went dog and then put plus and beagle. It would give you just beagle dogs, or you could just type beagle dog, whatever you want. So we're going to use this as our premise for today's image searching. So as you can see, once I have narrowed it down, it will give you even other types across the top. But I'm going to show you right up here through this image bar how to use it and how to narrow it down also. If you go over here on this bar across the top and you click the tools, it will give you a nice little drop down box. And it will help you to narrow your searching down a little bit more. So if you go to the first one, we'll just go across the top. If you go to size, you can choose any size of picture that you're looking for. So let's try a medium picture. And what it will do, it will sort all your results for a medium size picture. I'm just going to click one here. So when you click on that picture, say this is the one you're interested in, it will even give you more options, which is really nice. Something very similar to the picture that you have chosen. It gives you lots of suggestions for more pictures. And another nice thing is once you've clicked on that, there are these little arrows right up here. If you click them left or right, it will even sort through those pictures that are down here and give you more options. So they have a lot of built-in searching tools once you find a picture that you like to give you suggestions. As you see down here, it gives you this little icon here, and when you click it, that is your share button. It also gives you the hyperlink to your picture. You can email it, you can put it in these places. As you noticed here, it says they may be subject to copyright, and I will show you how to narrow down pictures according to copyright also. You have this button here, and what that is kind of like a bookmark to bookmark that page or website. And then you have the three dots, and it will ask you, do you want to save this to a collection? So what it will do is, built into Google, you can create a collection of pictures. So if you click that, you can click New Collection, and then I'm just going to make it and say Beagles, and then I'm going to say OK. So now I have a collection that I can add these animals to, the pictures. You can start your search right here and go and search it. It takes you back, but I'm going to go ahead and back to the image search. So now you can see I can add any of these pictures that I'm looking for to my collection. So say I wanted this one in there. If I hit these three dots, I can go to collections, and then I can add it to my collection. And one nice thing is you'll see when you're in this Google searching, your collections show up right here at the top. So you can see what pictures you have saved, and they're saved in your Google Images collections. So let's go ahead back to our toolbar up here, and I'm going to show you some other things. So say you're looking for a certain color of something that you're making, you can choose black and white. So if I chose black and white, it will show me only black and white pictures of the search. If I'm looking for transparent, it will give me transparent, and that basically means like the background is kind of transparent of the pictures. And then I even have the option of choosing other colors. So let's just say purple, just for random sake. And what it will do, it will show me pictures of beagles with purple in them. So you can see how purple shows up as far as that. If I want to do blue, green, it'll show up this way, or teal. So you have that option of choosing different colors for narrowing down what you're looking for. And then the next one is usage rights. And with usage rights, the one that's automatically filtered is there's no license filter. That means that some of the pictures may be copyrighted, that type of thing. And then there's another one that says label for reuse with modification. So if you click that, it'll give you ones that you could use for that reasoning. And then here's one for reuse, meaning that you can use them for anything. And this one is reuse with modification for non-commercial use. And then this one is for non-commercial use. So you can see when you narrow them down, some come and go. Labeled for reuse basically means that you could use them for whatever you'd like to use them for. So if you're working for a company or there's something that you have to make sure copyright is correct, then usage rights is a nice thing to narrow it down as far as that goes and make sure you're copyright compliant. The next thing on the toolbar is type. And what this means is you can narrow it down by type of pictures. So if you're looking for a clip art, you can just click a clip art. You can see there are no real photos for this, it's just clip art. The second one is a line drawing, and these are like hand drawn or maybe something you want to print in color. That's what the line drawing is. And then a GIF is a picture that is basically an animated picture. So let's click this one. As you can see, they're movable pictures. That's what a GIF is. So let me put this back on any type. And then you have the option of using time. These are when the pictures have been posted. So say you're looking for something that's been posted in the past 24 hours, and it will show you how many hours ago that the picture was posted. In the past week, and you could even put it the past month, and then the past year. So you can really narrow it down if you're looking for something specific as far as your picture. And then if you decide, okay, I want to clear this all back to the beginning, you just click clear, and then it takes you back to your original search. And again, if you look across the top, there's certain, like you say you want a wallpaper, all you have to do is click wallpaper and it'll show you all the wallpapers. So this up here is a nice addition to this search. It puts it right up here for you to be able to, it gives you suggestions of what it thinks that you're looking for. Another thing is you can change the type of search. You can do, I always have my safe search on. You turn that on to filter out inappropriate images, that type of thing. One other really cool thing about Google Images is, let me bring this up and I'm going to get the link for it really quick so I can show you, is it has kind of a reverse search. And what that means is if you look up here in this bar, you have a camera. So if you click on that camera, it will pop down and it will say search image by the URL. So I copied the image URL for this one, and then you paste the URL right in there, and then you click search by image. And because of the picture that I chose, it says it's not publicly accessible, which it is here because it's a wallpaper. Let me go back and find another one for you so I can show you here. So once you put it in the top, make sure it's a JPEG or a GIF file to search in that URL. So here's what it looks like once you reverse search that picture. It shows up. It gives you other examples of pictures that are similar to it. Up at the top, it'll show you the type of picture file that you searched for at the top. You can only search for images. Don't put in websites or links like that. It won't work like I showed you previously on that. So if you click that again, you also have the option to upload an image from your device. So I am going to click choose file, go to my device. I'm going to choose this cow and I'm going to click search. And what it will do, it will bring up the search, and you can see the results that come out, or it's searched by color. So you have the green grass, and then now down at the bottom you have cows that are similar to the one that I posted. That are black and white, but it also gives you other results. As you can see, there are 2 black dogs in the grass. There's also a goat that's black and white down there. So the image reverse search will suggest things that look similar to what you have posted, and it may not be the same animal, so check that out. If you're using a mobile device, another really neat option that Google has is Google Lens. And what Google Lens does, it will take the picture that you have taken on your device, and if you tap it, it will give you more information about that picture. You can also scan and translate text. If it is something that's clothing, you can find a look in other stores where to purchase. You can see all kind of neat things for nearby places, identify plants and animals. So if you are using a mobile device and you're using Google Photos, try out the Google Lens. It is that little icon up there where it says search what you want. That's what the icon looks like. If you click that on your picture, you can get more information about it. So give that a try on your mobile device. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope that you learned something new. Please join me again this coming Thursday at 1 o'clock. It will be posted on the Facebook page for the library, and then also posted later the next day on our YouTube channel at Salem Public Library, Ohio. Have a great day.